Okay guys, I wanted to do a little try on haul because I got some new things. I told you in 2025 I wanted to master the art of accessorizing, and I feel like eyeglasses are trending everywhere right now, but they're also such a staple accessory. So I got 3 new pairs of eyeglasses from Fytoo. So I'm going to show you which ones I got. First, there are these beautiful black glasses. Like, hello. They're absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys have seen Inventing Anna before, but I feel like these glasses kind of remind me of Anna Delvey. Not that I stand for what she did necessarily, but she was a fashion icon and I will attest to that. They're more of a statement piece, which is exactly what I want. Like if you have a basic outfit, you can throw these on and really zhuzh up the whole outfit. And I just feel like you look like that girl when you're wearing glasses like these. That was the first pair. And then the second pair I got are these beautiful, I think they're like tortoiseshell, I think that's what it's called, but they look like this. How stunning. I think you can kind of see the design in the light a little bit. They also have blue light lens. Oh my gosh, I think they're so cute. I love these. I think these ones are my favorite because, I don't know, it's giving chic. You can feel free to disagree, but I love these. I think they are so fun. They're a little quirky, something different that I wouldn't normally pick out for myself, but in a chic, elegant, cool way. I don't know. Those are just the vibes I'm getting, and I think I've seen these kinds of eyeglasses trending like on my Pinterest board, on Instagram Explore page. Like I feel like they're popping up and I'm like, you know what? Yes, I love it. I love this trend. They fit so nicely. They feel pretty hefty, but not in a like heavy on my face kind of way, but in a quality you can feel kind of way. So absolutely love these. These are definitely my favorite pair. So the next pair is the last pair I got. I wore them last night a little bit. They are so pretty. They're so delicate. I absolutely love the silver framing. They're so fun. I feel like a sexy little librarian, you know? I don't know, to me like the other ones were giving chic and more statement piece. These are more subtle, more delicate. They just kind of hone in a cozy, I don't know, interesting, mysterious girl vibe. So yeah, I love these so much. My sister wears glasses like these and she looks absolutely stunning in them. And so I just wanted to hop on the bandwagon. These are also Tyler's favorite. He's the one that said I look like a sexy librarian. So take it from the men in your life. I feel like this pair is giving artsy in a delicate, cute way, while the other ones give more statement, more chic. So you gotta have a variety. Depending on the day, depending on the vibe, Fytoo has glasses that are chef's kiss for you, ones that will go with all of your outfits. You guys know I wouldn't talk about anything I didn't genuinely love, and I expected to like these. I did not expect to love these as much as I do. So I will leave the links for each pair of glasses in the description, as well as a special promo code so you can get 15% off your first order.